Hi besties! Today we're gonna be shopping for our emergency kit for school. It's officially back to school season. I know you guys all remember hearing that song.
Back to school.
It's back. Today we're gonna be shopping for our emergency back to school kit. If you guys didn't have one of these in high school, I know you were asking for a tampon every single day at school. And I hated you. I know you guys hated the feeling of randomly being in your class, seeing that you had a little bit of a mustache, not being able to survive the rest of the day because you can just only think about that mustache, and whenever you're talking to somebody, you think they're looking at your mini mustache, but you don't have a little razor thing. That's what we're shopping for today. Exactly that scenario. I'm accompanied by Miss.
Hi guys, it's Vivi. Hello.
We're both gonna be shopping for our emergency kits. I already have mine. She's gonna be getting her own. What's something that you think you need in your emergency kit today?
Oh wait, I'm not prepared for this question. Let me think. Oh, you know something I always get? Hair gel.
Oh wow, see, that's how we're different.
Yeah.
I think something that I need in my emergency kit bag for sure is like the mini razors or like an eyelash separator.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's go into Target and get started because school is right around the corner. We need this emergency kit ready. Okay ladies, let's go. Okay guys, we're finally inside of Target. We're actually gonna look for a bag for Vivi. It's just a nice space to start off of. I already have a bag, so I don't need shopping to do in this department, but Vivi needs to look for something that first she likes, is a good size for wherever she's gonna have it in, and it's just cute. I don't know.
Here are options. Instantly saw this one. She's super cute. I don't like the color. Like, I like the design, but I don't like the color. So this would have been perfect if it was tiny. Like this pink one. Like, pink is me. I think that clear one could work. Like, it's just like beige and simple. What do you think about this one? Like, I feel like it's cute, but like it's kind of tiny. Like, I don't know.
I honestly kind of like either the pink one or the beige one that you picked up.
You don't think the pink one's like fat? No? Okay, I think we're gonna go with this one then.
She definitely had a good amount of options. I do like this one too, but I also don't really love the color. This one and this one are like the best size for an emergency bag because I feel like it can fit in anything. But I also think it's so important to pick one that you actually love, like the color and everything. You can put a lot of different stuff in here. This one's cute. I would have picked this one probably too. You also have like some clear options, which honestly I think these are also pretty good because then you don't have to like rummage through and try to find what you're looking for. Like you can literally see in the bag. But I don't know if I love the material of these. I feel like it feels like weirdish, huh?
No, yeah.
Like cheap.
And also like clear bag. Like, what if you have like personal like stuff in there? Like,
yeah, true. I definitely recommend having some makeup in there, but I think we're gonna start with the actual minis that Target has to offer. I mean, the minis are for a reason. They're little travel essentials. So I think we're gonna start with that. Okay guys, we made it to the little mini section at Target. They have two different sections of these. They have these that are here in the beauty aisle, and then they have like the actual travel section. But right now I'm gonna look through and see what like catches my eye the most. They have a lot to choose from. They're like fully stocked this year. I'm surprised. Thank you, Target. Immediately this caught me and Vivi's attention. This is a mini travel duo by Real Techniques. I'm putting this in my emergency kit right away. Like, this is amazing. I think something else that's a need in my emergency kit is a airbrush, and this is literally perfect. I love Tingle Teaser and it's hot pink. Hello. They have some Q-tips. I know Q-tips are not important for some people, but my eyes run so much and I wear makeup to school, so this is amazing.
Okay guys, we found the hair gel. This is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Sculpting Gel. My hair does not stay. Number one thing that I needed. Putting her in. I don't want to copy you, but like low-key like a hairbrush too. I've actually never tried this type of hairbrush. It looks kind of odd. Like, it works good. Hairbrush for sure.
There's a million different little deodorants. I really like this native one because it smells amazing, but I kind of like the spray on, at least for school, a little bit better. So I think I'm gonna leave this behind, but these are really good. I've definitely traveled with these and had them in my emergency kit before. Oh my god guys, they have like little mini elf bronzing drops. I don't think I would have this in my emergency kit, but these are definitely so cute. Mostly if maybe you're running late sometimes and you do your makeup in school or in the car, this would be nice to have. These are the big version or like original size of the bronzing drops, and then these are the mini. Like, it's definitely saving you some space. Oh, this is body wash. I thought this was lotion. I don't think I need body wash in my emergency kit. Oh my god, this is definitely something I would have now in my emergency kit. Some eye drops, because I use contacts now, so I'm definitely think I'm gonna add this. They have some mousse. They have some curl cream. Now that I wear my hair natural, I used to not when I was in high school, but now that I do, I think I would definitely add this. That would be life-changing, like if I'm rushing out of the house. What is this? Dry shampoo? I don't think I've ever really used dry shampoo. I know some girls definitely would have this in their kit. They have different types of hairspray. I think hairspray and hair gel. They have like the hair gel right here. These are definitely good things to have in your kit if, again, you don't have time to get ready in the morning, or like Vivi, your hair doesn't stick. That's nice, so you can retouch throughout the day. Oh my god, they have refillable hand sanitizer. This is cute. I think I'll honestly take one. Hand sanitizer is so nice, mostly in school if you're touching a bunch of random things. Look, I found refillable hand sanitizer.
Wait, I love that.
I know. They also have this that I've never seen before. It's a Revlon Jelly Makeup Blender. I think this is actually so nice. Again, if you like need to touch up during school, you need to do your makeup. Hair ties. Oh my god, these are so nice because sometimes you don't know you're having a bad hair day, or it gets windy or it rains and you just want to put it up. So they have scrunchies, and then they have also like these mini hair ties. I think I'm gonna do these, to be honest, and we can like split these. What's this? Is this hair oil? Oh, I wonder if it smells good. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan. I feel like it actually smells like hair oil.
Like it smells like chemical.
100% natural fragrance.
Oh,
Makes sense. Makes sense. Sorry. Vaseline. I am the biggest fan of Aquaphor and Vaseline. They have these little packs. So like, for example, me and Vivi could get one each. I love these. These are the ones I have.
they have the Aquaphor ones.
Oh! They also have Miss Aquaphor. I think Vaseline is definitely a cheaper option, but I do love Aquaphor. They have like all of these little packs. I think we're gonna pick one up and then we can split these. Since Love Island, me and my sister are obsessed with EOS and like their body lotions. These are so yummy delicious. They smell amazing. Every time I wear them, I think I have this one.
Strawberry Dream. I've never seen this scent.
Really?
Oh my god,
Like,
it smells like fresas con crema. Wait, this is really delicious. Wait,
life-changing.
They have like a little mini baby one?
They have their hand creams, and again, they smell just as good. I like the vanilla cashmere, so I think I'm gonna take one because it's kind of like a mini one, but it smells amazing. Look at this mini little Power Grip primer. I am not the biggest fan of this primer. I just feel like it doesn't work the best with my skin. That's so cute. I also have heard so much about this setting mist. Apparently it's like amazing and life-changing and all of the above. So I definitely want to try it. I don't know if I would have it in my emergency kit, but...
Wait, setting spray?
Yeah. Apparently it's like life-changing. Personally, I heard that it's like the dupe or something to the one we use, the one size. So we'll see. And it's like half of the price. Our second little location of minis. Oh my god, this is sunscreen that everyone uses on TikTok. I don't know if this is convenient for school, but I think this is so cute. They also have mini little colognes, or like perfumes, colognes. What's this? This looks like Sol de Janeiro. And $7? That's insane. I guess these are the Sol de Janeiro dupes, and they low-key do kind of smell the same. Like, they're not exactly, but they do, and they're, right again, half of the price. Hello, bye-bye bloat. I need this. De-bloating capsules. Mostly when I eat, because in high school, I would eat everything and anything, so that would have been nice. They have so many little moisturizers. They have this really cute one. I think it's a little bit on the bigger side, but I know I definitely saw, like, different ones. Like, where was it? This is a moisturizer and SPF. Like, this is literally perfect. They have an even minier little Aquaphor. This is perfect. And more Vaseline. I've never seen this one. Creme brulee. Yummy. Ooh, these pimple patches are life-changing, especially when you're in school. I think I'm more of like a normal pimple patch girl, but when you're in school and a random pimple pops up or you didn't have time to get ready, these change your life. Oh my god, they have these mini sunscreen. This is nice, and it's by the same brand for the pimple patches. So a mini sunscreen, you need it. I think this is another sunscreen, no? Yeah, it's another mini little sunscreen. They have a lot of sunscreen, so you have no excuse to not be putting some on. If you guys are having a bad makeup day and just want to take off your makeup throughout the day, or like it's hot as fuck, that would happen to me so much in school. Having one of these in your backpack or emergency bag is so worth it. I don't think I'm gonna take one, but this is definitely something I really recommend having in there. I remember seeing these last year. They have these little mini 3-pack, and they're pink, and you can, you know, touch up your makeup during school. These are so cute, and again, they take up like zero space. They have these. This is literally what I was talking to you guys about, these facial razors. You guys need them in your life, because if your eyebrows are looking crazy, if your stash is looking crazy and you just need to take it off, literally so needed to be in your emergency kit bag. Putting this in immediately. Wait guys, looking back, I just found this. This is literally the perfect pack. It comes with little brushes, a spoolie, and then literally an eyelash curler. It's literally supposed to be a travel kit. So that's literally perfect for traveling or to put in your little kit. This is where they have all the travel minis, so it's perfect to stuff in your emergency kit. We definitely got a good amount of like little beauty stuff, but now we need the actual, not so fun to get, but like you need it, like some Advil because you're gonna randomly get a migraine in school. Tide to go pen because somebody wasn't watching where they were going and they spilled something on you. Like these are the stuff you really need. We're gonna look, see what I get. Right now, what caught my eye directly was the Tide pen. These are a must when you're shopping for an emergency kit because I randomly get headaches all the time, cramps or whatever, so these are so helpful to have.
I love that brand.
What is this?
It's like the Tide pen, but like
better. That's cool. I've never had a lint roller in my emergency kit because it just takes up too much space, but I definitely had times in school where I needed one, and thank God somebody always randomly had ones. For the allergy girlies like me, they have a little pack of Kleenex. I randomly would get allergies, non-stop sneezing, boogers coming out the nose, so this is nice to have in your bag for sure. Like I said, girls, if randomly you get the urge to take off your makeup, having a small little pack of this and then like a little tiny version of the micellar water, life-changing. Makeup wipes, I know they sell even like minier versions of these, like a huge pack with like mini little wipes on the go, mostly when you're in school. Literally saved my life a million times. The spray I was talking about, this is what I live for. I like these sprays mostly if it's like an emergency kit for like the gym or school. Spray ones are so much better. They literally are so stocked up this year. Like I've never come, like when I actually am traveling and I need some of these stuff is when they never have anything. Right now, like they're like a fully stocked, but I feel like I'm really trying to get essentials and not like overbuy because my makeup bag isn't that big either. I came to the little hygiene section really quickly because you could definitely get like a small pack of like some panty liners like this because those could definitely save you throughout the day. So this is like a good little pack to have. This definitely saves the day. Definitely getting like the smallest pack you can find of like tampons or pads, like a little small pack like this could definitely also save your day because you just need a couple in your kits. I definitely have some at home, so I don't think I'm gonna be getting any right now. Okay, right now we're in the elf section because I don't necessarily think you need like a ton of makeup in your emergency kit, but I do think having like some little things to touch up throughout the day is like super important, and mostly just getting kind of cheaper alternatives because like you're not actually going to be using it, you're just using it to touch up. I think elf is a really good brand. Oh my god, I remember having these in like middle school and elementary school and thinking this was like red lipstick.
Dude, I would cry because everyone had a collection and my mom only ever bought me one.
I thought I was wearing makeup with that. I'm like trying to think what you would need to touch up during school, and I feel like you definitely need a good powder, and elf definitely has like some good ones. They have this whole selection right here. I think I'd definitely be more on like this one. This one, do you think this is my shade?
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect. Elf has little small brushes too. That's nice. They have a blush and lip tint.
I feel like this is gonna be like very pink.
I'm gonna choose right now, but I'm gonna get one of these. They have good little mini tools. I literally have this set and it's so cheap, literally $5. This in your emergency kit if you're bored in class or really need to like look your eyebrows. This is definitely good. I also used to love this eyebrow gel from elf. I used to use it all the time and it's literally $3 for like these. Also just anything lip I think is good for school, like a good little lip gloss or like a tinted one I think is good to like make yourself feel a little bit better of being like beat up by the school air. So I definitely get one of these because they're literally $8 and they're so good. Like I have a couple different ones from this collection and I love them. They have little lip balms. I actually have this one and it smells so good. Even my boyfriend loves it. Guys, officially out from buying our emergency kit, stocking it up. Done. These are everything. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Vivi also makes content. She makes similar content to me, so if you like my videos, you'll probably like hers as well. I love you guys all so much and I will see you guys all later.
I got my lunch packed up, my boots tied tight. I hope I don't get in a fight. Oh, back to school, back to school, back to school.